Hey guys, so today I thought I would show you my minimalist, like fair trade, ethical makeup bag today. So I don't wear a lot of makeup, I don't really make videos about makeup, so I don't need a lot of different makeup. Right now I am wearing what I would call my going out special look. So I'm wearing eyeshadow and I'm wearing lipstick and I feel really cute and special. But I don't normally wear makeup maybe 2 to 3 times a month right now. I wear makeup more when I am pregnant because it helps me feel like a little bit pampered when pregnancy can get in the way and make you feel kind of bloated and large. So I do wear a little bit more makeup when I'm pregnant. Anyway, I am someone that doesn't know what I'm doing with makeup at all. I just know that I like to wear it sometimes, and I also want to be self-conscious about it. So here's my little makeup bin that holds all of my makeup. I put all of my face stuff in here, like concealer and things, and then I put all my eyes and lip things in here and my brushes here. So the majority of the makeup I use is Gabriel, and when I was researching makeup, there was a lot of really expensive, you know, very organic stuff that I just couldn't afford. So this is vegan and gluten-free, and that's why I went with Gabriel. They actually have this brand at my local health store, like my natural health store, so it was really easy to go in and test it out on my skin tone, which I bought some of it there and some of it online. So this is just complexion stuff, and it has a little pad underneath there. I've been really happy with it. It doesn't break me out or make me itchy, which a lot of makeup that I tried in my younger years or when I was starting out did. Right now, I still have some old Arbonne stuff. So this is the Arbonne makeup primer, and it's what I use right now as a makeup primer if I'm gonna go all out. I also have their Sheer Glow highlighter, and the Arbonne stuff sometimes makes me itchy. This is like, I don't know, a spot corrector. I don't know the correct names for all these things. It's from Gabriel. The same people that make them make this other brand called Zulu, which I tried as well, and I like it. I have some bronzer from Arbonne that came in like a makeup kit that I've used like 3 times because I have no idea how to use bronzer at all. And then I have my liquid concealer, not concealer, I don't know, foundation, which is also from Gabriel. And that's all of my face stuff that goes on my face, and that's all I have right there. Then I have some brushes, which I stick in here. I just use them for different things. This one I use on my eye for eyeshadow, blush, foundation. I just use whatever brush matters. So I have 5 lip products. I have this purple lipstick that you saw me wearing in the beginning, and then oh wait, this is the purple one. So I have a purple one and like a more natural one, and I like both of them. They seem to last about 2 hours before you need to reapply it, which I think is pretty good for natural makeup. I have this left over from Arbonne. It's kind of a pinky color, and I like this too. Use it all up. And then I have 3 lip glosses in 3 different colors, like a brown, a pink, and a bright pink, which this one doesn't really go with my hair color right now, but once I go back to my natural hair, it'll totally work, or summertime. And that brings us around to the eyeshadows. Eyeshadow is one of my absolute favorite things. Like really, it's one of my absolute favorite things. If I do anything, I do my eyes. And I know some of you might think, you can't just do your eyeshadow and not do the rest of your face. Well, let me tell you, you can. So I have one little sample, I believe, of mascara. I believe this is from Clinique, and it's probably about 10 years old. Yep. So I probably need to replace this. I hardly ever wear mascara, ever. But I would like to get a replacement for that. And then I have a little palette, which is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now, from Zulu. And these colors are really, really pretty, and I find this is really all I need. But I do have some other things. Here's the I have this primer from Gabriel that I use before I put on eyeshadow. I have this white, which I use sometimes in the corners of my eyes to highlight. And then I have 3 other colors here. I don't really do flamboyant makeup, so the only other color scheme I really wanted was a blue. And if I'd known that this color was really close to this one, I probably wouldn't have bought it, but I thought it was a little bit different. So those are all of my eyeshadows, and I love them. And then I just have 2 blushes. I have a darker blush. I don't remember where I got this thing. Definitely not probably something I should use. And then a pinkier blush for cuteness. So that is my makeup. I do have some makeup pencils too. I have an Arbonne one, a Maybelline one, another Arbonne one. Looks like that one's a darker brown and that one's a lighter brown. And then this one from Pacifica. I don't know how to line my eyes, but I do use those sometimes. So that's everything right there. And that's my minimalist makeup bag. It all fits in one bag. I can see everything. I always know what I'm looking for. And honestly, I could probably pare this down a whole lot more, but it is what it is. So if you guys have any other makeup tips for me, or any videos you think I should watch, I am still learning about makeup. I've probably been wearing it for maybe 2 years consecutively. Like before that, I maybe wore makeup like maybe once every 4 to 5 months, and I had a lot of random stuff, but I've really like consolidated, and I'm very happy with my fair trade vegan makeup. So I will let you guys go, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!